Hi dear friends, welcome to the 19th part of multiple choice questions on income tax. Question 1. Minimum exemption limit in case of a senior citizen is A. Rupees 2,50,000, B. Rupees 3 lakh, C. Rupees 5 lakh and D. Rupees 10 lakh. Option B. Rupees 3 lakh. Second one, maximum amount deductible under section 80 GG is A. Rupees 1,000 per month, B. Rupees 2,000 per month, C. Rupees 3,000 per month and D. Rupees 5,000 per month. Option D. Rupees 5,000 per month. Third one, deduction in respect of royalty income of others is allowed as per A. Section 80 GGC, B. Section 80 RRB, C. Section 80 TTA and D. Section 80 QQB. Option D. Section 80 QQB. Fourth one, maximum amount deductible under section 80 TTA is A. Rupees 5,000, B. Rupees 10,000, C. Rupees 15,000 and D. Rupees 20,000. Option B. Rupees 10,000. Fifth one, Mr. X deposited rupees 2 lakh to his unrecognized provident fund. The amount deductible under section 80C shall be A. Rupees 2 lakh, B. Rupees 1,50,000, C. Rupees 1 lakh, D. None of these. Option D. None of these. Sixth one, Mr. Y received rupees 10,000 as interest on post office savings bank account. The taxable interest income shall be A. Rupees 10,000, B. Rupees 6,500, C. Rupees 3,500 and D. nil. Option B. Rupees 6,500. Seventh one, rebate of tax to a member of AOP or BOI is allowed as per A. Section 86, B. Section 87, C. Section 88 and D. Section 89. Option A. Section 86. Eighth one, relief of tax in respect of arrears of salary can be claimed as per Section 86, B. Section 87, C. Section 88 and D. Section 89. Option D. Section 89. Ninth one, income of minor son rupees 20,000 and income of minor daughter rupees 12,000 included in the income of father. Father will get exemption of A. Rupees 1,500, B. Rupees 2,000, C. Rupees 3,000 and D. Rupees 4,000. Option C. Rupees 3,000. 10th one, tax rate applicable to deemed incomes is A. 15%, B. 20%, C. 30% and D. 60%. Option D. 60%. Thank you for watching this video.